Hello everyone! Welcome to another English learning video. This video will help you improve your speaking skills and also your listening skills. Today, I'm going to tell you a short story. It is about a young girl who almost missed her flight. She went to the airport still wearing her night pajamas. What happened to her? That day turned into a story she would never forget. I will tell you the story sentence by sentence. Pause the video after each sentence and repeat after me. This learning style is called shadowing. It will help you speak more clearly and listen more carefully. Are you ready? Let's begin the story. My name is Sarah Lily, and this is the story of my crazy day at the airport. It starts on a bright Saturday morning. I have a flight from Los Angeles to Chicago. It is very important because I have a new job opportunity there. But the night before, I stay up too late. I watch movies on my laptop. I tell myself, just one more movie. Suddenly it is 2:30 a.m. My flight is at 8 a.m. I set the alarm for 5:30 a.m. I think 3 hours of sleep is enough. I wake up on time for sure. Of course, I do not. When I open my eyes, sunlight is already in my room. I reach for my phone. It is 7:10 a.m. My heart stops. No! I shout so loudly that my neighbour knocks on the wall. I have less than 50 minutes before my flight. The airport is at least 30 minutes away. I jump out of bed quickly. I do not brush my teeth. I just wash my face very quickly. I grab my suitcase from the floor. Then I see something terrible. I am still wearing my pink pajamas. They have little cats all over them. Should I change? No time, I tell myself. I throw on a hoodie over the pajamas. I grab my shoes from the closet. Then I run outside as fast as I can. My neighbour's dog starts barking at me. I must look very funny. Luckily, a taxi waits near my apartment. I jump in and shout, "Airport, please! Fast, fast!" The driver looks at me and smiles. "Miss, are you sure? You are still wearing pajamas?" I feel my cheeks turn red. "Yes, I know. Please just go." He laughs the whole way to the airport. To make it worse, I forget something else. I do not have my hairbrush with me. My hair looks like a bird's nest. Every time I look in the mirror, I feel embarrassed. I want to cry and laugh together. When I reach the airport, it is 7:45 a.m. I have only 15 minutes left. I run inside with my heavy suitcase. Of course, my shoelaces are untied. In the middle of the busy hall, I trip. I almost fall on the hard floor. Everyone around me stops and looks. Some people point at me and whisper. A little boy points at me and says, "Mum, look, she is still in her pajamas." I want the floor to open and swallow me. I run to the check-in counter, but the woman there looks at me calmly and says, "I'm sorry, ma'am. Check-in is already closed for your flight." My mouth drops open. Please, just one more minute. I can run fast. She shakes her head kindly. I'm sorry. The gate is closed. I feel so sad and upset. I need to fix my clothes properly. I look around the airport. I walk to a worker nearby and ask, "Excuse me, is there a changing room here?" The airport worker is a kind lady. She looks at me strangely because I wear pajamas. She asks, "What happened to you?" I tell her everything about my morning. She listens with a smile. She points to a small room and gives me the key. "You can change your clothes there," she says. I go into the room and change my clothes. I put on proper pants and a nice shirt. When I come out, the kind lady is not there anymore. I want to return the key to her. I look around, but I cannot find her anywhere. I decide to sit on a chair nearby. I hold the key in my hand. The airport is very busy around me. Many people walk past with their suitcases. Some families say goodbye to each other. Children run around while their parents try to catch them. While I sit there, a strange man walks by. He wears a black coat. He has a mean face and looks very worried. His eyes keep moving left and right. He seems to look for something important. He comes to me and asks, "What time is it?" I tell him the time. Something feels wrong about this man. I watch him carefully. After a few minutes, he leaves quickly. He seems very nervous. A little later, I hear a phone ringing. I look around me. There is a bag on the other side of my chair. The phone sound comes from inside the bag. It is the strange man's bag. He leaves it behind when he walks away quickly. I feel scared. I think about what to do. Should I take the bag or should I leave? My hands shake a little bit. I look around to see if anyone watches me. The airport is still very busy. Nobody notices me or the bag. Then I think, maybe someone calls the man. Maybe they want to help him find his bag. Or maybe it is something more serious. My heart beats very fast. I pick up the bag and answer the phone. But the call stops immediately. Right after that, a message comes to the phone. It says, "Run away from the police, quickly. Leave the airport now." I see the message and become very scared. Why run from police? Why leave the airport? I think about these questions. I decide to look inside the bag. I want to see what is there. When I open it, I am very surprised. There is a lot of money inside. There are also many important papers. I make a decision. I take the bag to the police. I walk to the airport police station. My legs feel weak from fear. But I know it is the right thing to do. The police officer at the desk is very kind. He has grey hair and gentle eyes. The police ask me many questions. They want to know about the man. What does he look like? How does he act? How tall is he? What color is his hair? I describe everything I remember. The black coat, his worried face, the way he looks around nervously. I also tell them about the strange phone message. The police officer writes down all my words carefully. Finally, the police tell me something shocking. They say this man is a dangerous criminal. The police look for him for a long time, but they do not catch him yet. They give me their phone number. They say, "Cool, if I see him again." After talking to the police, I start to walk away. I feel a little better now. I do the right thing. The dangerous man will get caught soon. I think about going home. My job interview waits for another day. Then I remember something. I still have the key to the changing room. The kind worker lady is so helpful to me. I return the key to her. It is not right to keep it. I think maybe the kind worker lady is back now. I should return the key to her. I walk back to the changing room. I want to give back the key. But when I get there, no one is around. Suddenly, someone pushes me hard against the wall. A person holds me there. I cannot move. He has a knife in his hand. It is the dangerous man from before. He asks me, "Where is my bag?" He says his valuable papers and money are in it. He says he needs it back. I tell him I do not have it. I know this man is a dangerous criminal. I help the police catch him. The criminal asks again, "Then where is my bag?" I lie to him. I say, "I leave it in that room over there." I point to the changing room. The criminal lets go of my arm. He walks toward the room. As soon as he goes inside, I close the door quickly. I use the key to lock the door from outside. I shout loudly, "Help! Help! Someone help me!" My voice echoes through the airport hallway. I keep shouting until my throat hurts. Many people come running. They hear my calls for help. Airport security guards arrive first. Their uniforms are dark blue. They look very serious and professional. I tell them everything. I explain about the criminal, the bag, and the police. They call the police immediately. More people gather around us. Some passengers stop to see what is happening. A few people ask if I am okay. I feel grateful for their concern. Finally, the police arrive and arrest the criminal. They put handcuffs on his hands. He looks very angry but cannot escape. The police officers lead him away. I watch as they take him to their car. They thank me for my brave actions. They say I am a hero. The police captain shakes my hand. He says, "Not many people are so brave." I feel proud, but also very tired from all the excitement. The police give me a special reward for helping them. The reward is a free ticket for my next flight. I finally go to Chicago for my job interview. The airline manager also gives me a voucher for a free meal. He says, "Heroes deserve good treatment." Even though I miss my first flight, this crazy day turns into an adventure. Sometimes the worst mornings become the most exciting stories. Let's practice together now. Listen to the story slowly and repeat after me. This method is called shadowing. It helps you improve both your English speaking and listening skills. Try to practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. See you in the next English learning story.